Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll explain the automated loan risk analysis agent for underwriting team's workflow in n8n. This workflow watches Google Drive for new loan application PDFs, extracts the document text, uses GPT-4o Mini to analyze applicant risk, generates an underwriting decision, formats the final report, and emails it to the underwriting team. Step 1. Google Drive Trigger. The workflow starts with the Google Drive trigger. This node watches a Drive folder and starts the automation whenever a new loan application PDF is uploaded. Step 2. Download file. This node downloads the uploaded loan application file from Google Drive. The downloaded PDF is then passed forward for text extraction. Step 3. Extract from file. This node extracts text from the PDF. It converts the loan application document into readable text so the AI nodes can analyze the applicant information. Step 4. Generate AI outreach message. This first AI node extracts the core applicant data from the loan application. It identifies fields like applicant name, loan amount, income, employer, employment duration, credit score, assets, liabilities, and debt to income ratio. Step 5. Open AI GPT-4o Mini. This model powers the first AI extraction step. It helps read the raw loan application text and convert it into structured applicant information. Step 6. Structured output parser. This parser forces the AI output into a clean JSON structure. It makes sure the applicant data is returned in usable fields instead of unstructured text. Step 7. Slack. Error Alert 1. This Slack node is connected to the error path of the first AI step. If applicant extraction fails, the workflow sends an error alert so the team can review the issue. Step 8. Generate AI outreach message 1. This second AI node performs the risk analysis. It reviews the applicant profile and generates outputs like risk score, risk level, approval confidence, and key findings. Step 9. Open AI GPT-4o Mini 1. This model powers the risk analysis step. It helps evaluate the applicant's income, credit information, liabilities, repayment capacity, and other risk indicators. Step 10. Structure Output Parser 1. This parser structures the risk analysis result. It formats the output into fields like risk score, risk level, approval confidence, and key findings. Step 11. Slack. Error Alert 2. This Slack node handles errors from the second AI step. If the risk analysis fails, the workflow sends an error message to the team. Step 12. Generate AI outreach message 2. This AI node creates the underwriting summary. It converts the extracted applicant data and risk analysis into a clear explanation for the underwriting team. Step 13. Open AI GPT-4o Mini 2. This model powers the underwriting summary generation. It helps write the financial reasoning and summarizes the application in a reviewer-friendly format. Step 14. Generate AI outreach message 3. This final AI decision node acts like the mortgage underwriter. It reviews the applicant information and risk summary, then produces the final underwriting decision. Step 15. Open AI GPT-4o Mini 3. This model powers the final decision step. It helps classify the application as approved, rejected, or further review based on the available financial information. Step 16. Structured Output Parser 2. This parser structures the underwriting decision. It returns clean fields like decision, reasoning, and required conditions for the underwriting team. Step 17. Code in JavaScript. This code node builds the final report. It combines the applicant details, risk score, key findings, underwriting summary, final decision, reasoning, and conditions into one formatted email body. Step 18. Send email via Gmail. This Gmail node sends the final loan risk analysis report to the underwriting team. The email includes the applicant summary, risk evaluation, final decision, and any required conditions. That's the complete automated loan risk analysis agent for underwriting team's workflow. A loan application PDF is uploaded to Google Drive, downloaded, parsed, analyzed by GPT-4o Mini, scored for risk, reviewed for underwriting decision, formatted into a report, and emailed to the team. I'm Rahul Joshi. If this was useful, I drop one free workflow like this every week inside my school community. JSON file included, setup guide included, completely free. Over 130 people are already using these. Link in the description. Come join us. See you in the next one.